Hello Internet. Yes, this video is about my shopping, but not ordinary shopping. This happens very rarely. I mean, buying a new motorcycle. At this point, I would like to invite you to boop the like button and don't forget to subscribe down below. Last year I saw my future new bike for the first time. Since then, I've been searching for information about the bike. I read a ton of writings from forums and other sources, but this is normal to me. I try to look at all the goods and bads from the subject I'm interested in. So then I can make a firm commitment to it, and when deciding to purchase it, it's a solid decision based on knowledge. Or at least I try. I tend to imagine myself riding my new bike and not worrying too much about all the technical problems I might encounter. As you maybe know, I sold last fall my KTM 790 Adventure. It was a really good bike, but I had either BMW or KTM to sell, so this question was not so hard at all. I like to have a cruiser for my longer journeys, and so far I've done much more mileage in tarmac than gravel, so the BMW K1600 is just the right tool to cruise long distances. I love the bike. And my biker career started with the BMW, so it's my number one motorcycle. About the KTM 790. It's a gravel-munching real adventure bike, a bit of heavy side, 190 kilos dry weight. So when loading with the panniers and your stuff, it goes way over 200 kilos. It will become heavy to pick up, but it goes smoothly because it's a twin-cylinder engine. And with the proper protection from the elements, it can be ridden through highways easily, day in, day out. But why sell a good bike? Well, I have my reasons. And I bet many of you have the same reasons. First of all, I need money to purchase a new bike. Here in Finland, all bikes are a little more expensive than, for example, in Central Europe. Secondly, my garage space is limited. I want to do the maintenance to my bikes, and I need some space around them. And I store my bike in my garage for everyday use. It means limited space and a limited amount of bikes. So, what's the Motorcycle X? I won't name it yet. Maybe you can find some hints from my earlier videos. The bike is very iconic one and certainly very noticeable. There are not too many used bikes of that kind, and I decided to buy a new one. The dealer just sent an email to me that the production line will make the bike in February. So I'm looking forward to using my bike starting in early spring. Yoo-hoo! Some other aspects of buying a new bike are also in my consideration. I would like to have new material for my videos on this channel. So with the new bike, I can make a lot of different videos about it. I'm going to travel to many places with my new bike, obviously. I will accessory the bike well, so installing things is undoubtedly one topic. And of course, the maintenance of the bike. But first, I like to make a video about my bike, its history and all its features. I want to show the motorcycle properly to you. I have a novel idea for doing motocamping videos. We have a vast amount of nature trails and parks, and many places where one can camp in the middle of the forest. I want to combine camping and motorcycle and traveling together. I want to show you my surroundings, for example the mighty Trans-European Trail, which goes just 5 kilometers away from my home. Many riders will travel in the TET and pitch a tent along the trail. So, these are the areas I'll be doing new videos later this year and in future. I wish I could create exciting videos and have some potential to motivate you to ride motorcycles locally or distance, or inspire you to do such radical things as camping in the wild. I hope you will be even more motivated by the beautiful Nordic nature, and maybe someday you will come here and taste Trans-European Trail or other roads or tracks. See you in the next video.